Hello guys, BeginerTrader here. We can start next episode of our challenge. So start from Telegram profile today. Let's see that one. Here's my profile. I put here all of my moves. Remember, this is not financial advice, it's just my opinion of the market situation. I put here all of my moves, all of my stop losses, all on my take profits. So if you want to join, you can find the link in the description and follow my moves. Okay, let's check now the 10% file. We try to have 10% profit every day. Why? Because if you will follow that one, we'll have really nice profits. We start from $45 in my wallet. So after, as you see, after 11 days, if the profit will be like that, if the 10% will be get every day, after 11 days it should be $116 in wallet. After 15 days is 170. After 30 days is $785. 90 days 239,000. So really good numbers, and here is, as you see, really nice. If you want that file, I can share with you. Leave a message for me. I will send you a template, because you can put all of your numbers and see how it will be for you, how you can how many profits you can get if the market will give you 10% every day. I am beginner trader, as my name said here, so I can share with you now my profits. Here is sorry, here January. It looks like that. Today I open ALGO Enterprise 137. Yesterday I get 2 stop losses position, but day before, though, take profits, and as you see, not much change. I have problem to cross the 100. Here was close, here as well, here, and I hope when I cross the 100, then will be only green color. Average 3% now. I put here on of my playing position, and here I update later if I get take profit, or if the position is close on the loss, with loss. So if you want that file as well, I can change I can share with you. I will send you if you want. It's good for have control in your wallet, because here, as you see, if you put all your profits, you see how you play on the market. For me, it's really helpful. I hope if you will try it, you will be it will be helpful as well for you. Okay, let's check Bitcoin. Now green candles. When we cross the trend line, we didn't close the candle under that one. Next stop we have here 46, and if we will get that number, we can get small consolidation or maybe some correction. Okay, let's check ALGO, because ALGO is open right now. Here is our entry price. We on small plus right now. Take profit in here. Here is stop loss. We start weekend from tomorrow, and in the weekend is hard to play, so I will check tomorrow it, and if I will think about to close that one if we didn't take profit, or if we will be on some losses. I will update on the Telegram profile, so if you want you can check. Coin 360, almost all of the coins are green right now. Bitcoin 1, almost 2% on plus. Ethereum 333, 2.5% on plus. Binance Coin 3%. Luna 5, Doge 13, almost 14%. Nice. Litecoin 6%. So good day for the market. Fear and greed index, extreme fear. Now we have extreme fear yesterday as well, and the last week was extreme fear. Not much change, 18, 21, 21, but if we will on the green in market, the fear and greed index will follow that. Okay, I think it's all for today, so thank you very much for watching. If you like that content, you can leave a subscription on YouTube, leave a like, and as you see, the quality is maybe not that high, if which I want to be. I will try to develop the channel and be better. If you want to help me, you can leave small donate. Then donate link is on the description, so it will be really helpful for me to be better. Okay, thank you very much, and see you on the next episode. Bye bye.